I'll call you back. Open that boy. Busy. Open that boy. Open that boy. Oh my. You don't tell my bro.
Now you be this.
Hey, you this is now.
Now you can't be this.
This one a car. This one one of my toy. What to the straw now?
You think it's a joke?
Toy?
You think it's a joke?
Call a car now my toy.
So, guy, you don't make a move.
I'll never be broke in my life.
Papa, me they give me updates now. You guys dey trenches soon.
Update full everywhere. They find updates. You find your Playmaker tips.
Playmaker tips.
Yes.
Man, I want Telegram channel where I just joined a few months back. Only one short odd where I take changed my life.
Mad oh.
I said the short die. You get smartphone.
Get smartphone.
Now you the door. Bring out your phone. Click the link on the bio or join through the comment section. Now free.
I don't do it.
Now you are talking, mommy. Congratulations, you're already a billionaire, so you don't join that Telegram channel.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, nah. I get where the road to go. I won't quickly go catch up with one client. But before I go, I just find small thing. I'll wait till your side.
Baba, no worry. As you don't teach me how to fish, you don't need to give me fish.
I want you.
Boss, I go in the fish.
I tell you that time.
Small boy, we take give man sense. You don't like me, they give am stress.
We go catch up there.
Okay, no problem.
You don't like me, then give am stress. So Kirikou, no they take man sense.
Landlord, today I will come up for your house.
No wahala.
You see that your house rent why they owe you? I will pay everything.
Okay.
For this happen go house, people will be shout.
No wahala.
Everywhere do good.
Uh-huh.
I will come up for your house today. Kirikou.
The Lord has done it. The Lord has done it. I said the Lord has done it.
Too much.
The Lord has done it.
Lord has done it.
Why you there now?
Kirikou. If you know what's happening like this, you're supposed to follow me. They are happy. You know that Telegram channel that my friend introduced to me now. Playmaker tips. You know, so I joined that Telegram channel that day.
Yes.
I collect short odd for day, like so I play am. Guess what?
What happened?
We don't cash at 300 million.
Hey!
300 million. Yeah. See now, I don't be like for you now.
Jesus!
Yeah.
Jesus.
What have I done with myself?
Yeah. Hello.
Jesus.
Uncle Blank.
My phone screen don't blind. Jesus, see, my phone just scatter. Kirikou, I never catch at all.
No lie. Come move for road.
Hey! What's going on here?
Check out, man. Let's
Let's have it.
Okay, landlord.
Let's have
You
it.
there funny show?